which pharaoh was never found. Pharaoh Ay's reign was a transitional period in Egyptian history, marking the end of the Amarna period and the beginning of the Ramesside period. During his brief reign, Ay worked to restore the traditional Egyptian religion and the power of the priesthood, which had been weakened during the reign of Akhenaten. Ay was also involved in the restoration of the temples that had been abandoned during the Amarna period. He commissioned the restoration of the temple of Amun at Karnak, which had been severely damaged during the reign of Akhenaten. Despite his efforts to restore traditional Egyptian culture and religion, Ay's reign was marked by political instability and intrigue. There were several attempts on his life, and he was eventually succeeded by his son-in-law, Pharaoh Horemheb. As for Ay's tomb, its location remains a mystery to this day. Some scholars believe that Ay was buried in the Valley of the Kings, while others think he may have been buried in the nearby Valley of the Queens. There are also theories that Ay may have been buried in a tomb that was later used by another pharaoh, such as Seti I or Ramesses III. Subscribe to our channel and follow us for regular updates and exclusive content.